Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to set this Tag Heuer Duo. It has both the analog and digital function. After a battery change, these can sometimes be a little bit confusing and tricky to set. Just to go through a couple of things, piece in the center right here that I'm touching with my finger is called the crown. Then we have the pushers, and I'll refer to that one as the top pusher and that one as the bottom pusher. Right, as you can probably see, the analog and digital are out of sync. Basically, we have to, after the battery has been changed, you have to reset these, and it can be a little bit confusing. The current function that it's in at the moment is showing both those and the AM. You can cycle through by rotating the crown, and we go to Wednesday, shows the month, the day, the year, cycle through again for an alarm, the chronograph, and timer. And then you have this setting, which is just for the analog only, and shows the day just off to one side. Right, how to set it. So let's say that the time is, it's 10 a.m. and everything's wrong. What we want to first do is we need to set the digital section first. So what I do is I pull the crown out, and you can see that the hours is starting to flash. Now we can press the top button, we can press the bottom button, and we can also rotate this crown, as you'll soon see. Top button changes from AM to PM. Press it again, goes back to AM, press it again, now we're PM. So I want to be AM. What we want to do then is we want to cycle through. As you can see, it rapidly goes around, and that's because it's, as you can see down the bottom here, the hour is flashing. Now I want this to be 10 a.m. Ignore the analog section and just focus on the digital first. So we want this to be 10 a.m. Obviously we're at 9 o'clock now. Let's flick it through again. We go to 10. Awesome. And then I'm going to press the bottom pusher like that. And now you'll see that is starting to flash. Right, we're going to go back though. Once again, you're ignoring the analog, even though it's on the wrong time. So we've now got 10 o'clock, which is what we wanted. Press this one, and if you certainly want, you can certainly change the seconds as well to the right time, but what I will sync the seconds up a bit later on. And then if you press the bottom one again, it just cycles through and you're back to the hours. Once you're happy with the time in the digital section, you want to push this in. Easy. From there, you can still see obviously our analog and our digital is out of sync and out of focus. So what we want to do is we want to cycle through the functions, and you want to get to this. So not to this one. So this is your day, your month, your year, your alarm once again, your chronograph, timer. You want to get to this screen. At this point, you pull it out and you can see that the hours is flashing. So currently, the analog, we're saying it's about 11:17, 18 past 11, around there. So let's go back. And currently there we're at now 10:18. What you want to do then is press the bottom pusher. As you can see, once again, you're ignoring the digital section this time, and you're focusing purely on the analog. Push the bottom button, and this is showing 0. So what we want to do is we want to move the seconds hand so that it points up all the way to the beginning, and you can only go forwards with this one. Right, as you can see, that's the time. What's going to happen now, when I push this crown in, it's all going to reset and go back to the right time. So it's 10:02, 27 seconds, 28, 29, 30. It's all synced up. And that's how you set this Tag Heuer. Easy.